Everyone ready?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Yes, ma'am, ready. Okay. So, very good afternoon to you all, children. So, in the last class, I have given you certain homework to complete. Have you all completed?
I'm the 40 pages now homework.
That you have completed. I gave you in the last class homework. No. Have you all completed that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Yesterday, what homework I have given yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, what homework?
Page number 51 you said to complete,
Completed in your maths that you completed. It is very simple. No, just you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
measure the nose, measure the bust of your friend, and you should write. Have you all done that?
Yes, ma'am. For me,
Ah.
not neighborhood is there, ma'am. Ma'am, now only we built a new house and came to.
Okay, in your house, any elder person will be there. No, you can call them and measure them. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good to there, Karthik. Okay, then have you all completed your English grammar note?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
What about noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun? Have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, most of the children have sent it in the WhatsApp group. They have completed.
Kindly add my father's forum assessment. Number is there, ma'am. My father
Jesu.
is not there, ma'am, in house. So only I can't send that.
Okay, no problem. Jesu, yesterday I spoke with your father. He said that no need of adding that number. He's going to buy a new mobile and he's going to add that. So he said no need of adding that number. So you just ask your father and let me know later, okay? Okay. What about others? Everyone completed? And those who did not complete, do it, okay? Do it and just keep your note complete up to date. Okay. So you know what is noun? Okay, what is proper noun? What is common noun? What is collective noun? Yes, noun is a naming word, okay, that names a place, person, animal, or a thing. Okay, so can you tell me one example for any naming word? Any example for noun?
Flower.
Yes, flower. Hmm.
And three birds.
Birds, animals. Table. People. Hmm. Okay. 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 Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Who is that Belson? That is Incy, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I changed the name now.
Okay. Okay, now listen. Okay, children, listen. So, you know what is noun? Okay, then you know what is proper noun. Proper noun means giving a special name to the noun. Okay, proper noun means giving a... Okay, for 1 minute, be quiet and listen to what I say, okay? Proper, just small recap, okay? So proper noun means
Okay,
giving
ma'am.
a special name to the noun. For example, what is the difference between common and proper means? Common noun is we say it as general, okay? But for proper, we give a special name. For example, school. There are many schools. Yes, in Tirunelveli there are many schools. So that comes under common noun. But when we talk about only Rosemary Model School, we are giving the school a particular name, right?
Proper noun, ma'am.
Very good, Jocelyn Nandini. So when you give a certain name, special name, we say it as proper noun. Okay. For example, when I say boys, you all will look at me. Yes. When I say Thiruvalluvar, look at me means only Thiruvalluvar will look at me. So I'm giving a special name to the boy. Okay, that is a proper noun. Are you clear? Yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what is common noun? Are you clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. I know common noun and proper noun.
Very good, Richard. Then what about collective noun? What about collective noun?
And collective noun. Things.
A group of things. Very good, Abdul.
Group of things.
Yes, collective noun is a group of things. Yes, a colony of ants. Okay, the bunch of key, a bouquet of flower means a lot of flower together make a bouquet, right? So a group of things called collective noun. So till here, everyone clear? Yes. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to the next topic now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Aslam,
ma'am.
where is your cap, Aslam Khan? Where is your cap? Okay, okay, listen. So, what is what do you have any idea about gender? What is gender? Do you have any idea? Yes, male and female. Gender is the word that specifies a male and a female. Okay, that talks about male and female. Okay, what is male? What is male? Very good. Male means
Male means a man. Means a girl. Female means a lady.
Yes, very good, very good. So male means boy and female means girl. Okay, another name for male and female, another name.
Man. Man.
So you heard about the word masculine and feminine gender? Okay, not all together. If you all together, if you scream means other will find it difficult. Okay, so one by one. Have you heard about masculine and feminine gender? Yes. No. You did not heard about masculine and feminine gender? No, Udaya Karthik. Masculine gender is nothing. It is a male. Okay. Masculine gender is nothing. It is a male. That refers only male. Okay. And feminine gender is female. That refers only female. Okay. For female, we say it as feminine gender, and for male, we say as masculine gender. Are you clear? For male, we say it as masculine gender, and for female, we say it as feminine gender. Are you clear? Yes? Yes. Very good, very good. So all of you having, so I'll just tell some certain words, okay? You tell me the female of that, okay? You are going to tell me the female of that. Are you ready? Ready? Okay. Let me check how you are going to find. Father. Mother. Okay. Brother.
Sister.
Uncle. Aunt. You should say aunt. You should say auntie. Then nephew. Niece. Very good. Son. Who said moon? I'm talking about sun, boy. Not that sun. The sun that is in the sky. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about a boy, son. Yes, daughter. Very good. King. Queen. Hero. Very good. Poet. Gentleman. Only man. Woman. Okay. Next is author.
Ma'am, can you tell again?
Author. Authoress. Very good. Bull. Very good. Next is lion. Roster. Listen. Roster, the female is hen. Okay. Roster is in the early in the morning. You hear the sound of the roster, right? It wakes up in the morning. That is roster, and the female is hen. So, are you clear, everyone? What is masculine gender and what is feminine gender?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Jeron John nicely dancing. Very nice. Okay. Okay, children. So, all of you take your 40 pages grammar note. Take your 40 pages grammar note.
My father come to take Friday.
Friday, but okay, you write in your rough note. Okay. No need of buying. In school, they have given many notes. No, from that, you take 40 pages note.
No, ma'am. He got the note, ma'am. That is in our Tirunelveli, ma'am.
Okay. Then as of now, you write in your rough note. Okay. All of you take your 40 pages note. Rohan Matthew, have you taken Rohan Matthew?
Ma'am, 40 pages not. Ma'am,
That only Richard. That only Richard. Yes. In one note, you have written all the kinds of no, that note only. 40 pages grammar note. Yes. Grammar note only, Aslam Khan. Okay, have you written? Have you taken? Take a fresh page. All of you take a fresh page.
Ma'am, today is 4/11/2021.
It is November 22.
22. Yes.
Ma'am, the date is November 2020.
Okay, Richard. Jesu, you can take single line note or you can take double line note. No problem. That as you wish. Okay. But have one separate 40 pages note. Okay, Jesu. Okay, children. Then shall we write now? 4,
Yes, ma'am.
11, 20. 20. Very good.
2020.
So is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now at the black line, at the top of the line, okay, at the black line, you are going to write gender. At the black line, okay, you are going to write gender.
Okay.
Thiruvalluvar, write Thiruvalluvar.
Okay.
Okay, right. Very good. Okay, on the next line,
Only one line.
if you want to leave, you can leave. Otherwise, if you want to continue, that is your wish. But keep your note very clean, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next line you write.
Write on the next line.
Very good, Richard.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can write in online note.
Yes, you can write. Type of gender are.
Ma'am, to write on next page.
Take a fresh page and write Thiruvalluvar.
Okay, ma'am.
So in the middle, you are going to put one. In the middle, you are going to write. Spell it and write, okay? Masculine gender.
Yeah.
Next is.
Ma'am, we have to leave one line for
Yes, leave one line and write. Okay.
For masculine gender, feminine gender.
Yes, you leave one line and write and put a dot like this. How I have written, the same way you write, okay? Yes.
And we want to leave for masculine gender.
Yes, ma. You leave a line and write.
We want to leave about that also we want to leave.
Yes, you leave a line and write.
Ma'am, the gender finished. We want to leave the line.
Yes, yes, Thiruvalluvar, yes.
NDER.
Refers to male. Male means boy. And feminine gender. Feminine gender refers to female. So those who are writing, you write. I'll just take your attendance. Okay. Just write. I'll just take your attendance. Okay, after writing masculine and feminine gender, next you are going to write, leave one line and write masculine. Then next here, feminine. Write neatly. Okay, first one. Father.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Type of grinding on. Next we want to leave one line.
Yes, yes. Leave a line and write. Brother. Sister. Third one. Nephew. Niece. Number 4. Son.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
After masculine gender refers to male, ma'am, should we leave one line and write female gender refers to female?
Listen. Yes, you can leave one line and write female. Then after that, you can do like this. Masculine, column, feminine. Okay. The same way.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Queen. 6th one. Lemuel, are you writing, Lemuel? Lemuel? 7th one. Woman. Yes.
Ma'am, Muslim is not writing, ma'am. He is playing, ma'am.
Aslam Khan. Aslam Khan, write. If you write, then only I'll put star for you. Right, Aslam Khan? Touch the line and write neatly, Aslam Khan. Yes, Priscilla.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, after father you have to leave one line and leave one line you have to write
No
others.
need of leaving line. No need of leaving line. Just continue. Tiruvalluvar, are you writing Tiruvalluvar? Looking here and there. Amy Pauline, do you have any doubt in masculine and feminine gender?
Ma'am, please to the seventh one. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please to the seventh one.
Seventh one you cannot see, yeah?
Ma'am, I finished.
Seventh one is man and woman.
The seventh one.
Seventh one is man and woman.
And I finished.
Very good, Tariq Zero. Very good.
Ma'am, I finished it.
Finished it. Very good. Tanishka, are you writing, Tanishka? Fiona? Okay, right. Very good. Mohammed Safwan is writing. Lemuel, what about you, Lemuel? Are you writing, Lemuel?
Ma'am, Mohammed Akil finished it.
Very good. Rohan Matthew, are you writing? Roy, Upen, write neatly. Anto Siben. Very good, Uday Karthik. Very good. Yes. Leave one line and write. Very good. Very good, Jesu. Yes, Tiruvalluvar, tell me.
Ma'am,
What? Sorry, I didn't get you. What you said? Feminine. Yes. After that, leave one line and write. Yes, leave one line and write. Then for writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all, you don't need to leave line. Okay. Those who completed, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
am I finished, ma'am?
Very good, Jerome John. So what about the other children who is still writing?
No, I not finished, ma'am.
Okay, Jennison, write first.
Ma'am, I am not finished.
Roy is also writing. Okay, right. Fiona completed? Okay. Your voice is breaking. Aslam Khan, are you writing?
And next one.
Srinivasan?
Ma'am, I am finished.
Very good. Okay, Srikanth, have you completed? Srikanth, have you completed? Okay, now shall I rub the board?
Okay, ma'am.
No.
Okay, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, be it. Okay, Inci, okay, Inci. Just write fast. Only 2 more minutes. Write fast. Two more minutes. Write fast.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, Richard is finished this all.
Okay. Aslam, shall I rub the board, Aslam?
No, ma'am.
Be little fast. What about Srinivasan and Thiruvalluvar?
Am I writing, ma'am?
Which one you are writing, Thiruvalluvar? Which one?
Ma'am,
Ah.
this is going to come to MAL.
Okay, be little fast.
Man, Thiru is coming, going to come, man and woman, ma'am.
Okay. Then shall I rub the board?
I'm finished. No. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, finished.
Okay. Who is still writing? Just tell me your name. Who is still writing? Tell me your name. Lemuel. Which one you are writing, Lemuel?
My fifth one.
Fifth one. Okay. Amy Poland, which one you are writing?
Ma'am, Thiruvalluvar is writing.
Which one you are writing, Thiruvalluvar?
Ma'am, when it come mother, no that writing.
Okay. Be little fast. Okay. Then other children just write here. I'm writing here. Okay. Other children, you can continue here. Other children can continue. Just I'm writing here. Those who completed can write number 8. Okay, I am not having space, so I'm writing here. You continue writing, okay?
Ma'am,
Yes.
those answers finished.
Okay. Then shall I rub the board, Amy Pauline and Thiruvalluvar?
Ma'am, we can write. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in 40 pages note, ma'am, can we write on the last line?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now I'll just rub the board, okay, Thiruvalluvar?
Second, ma'am, I coming to last one.
Fast.
10 minutes.
10, not 10 minutes, 2 seconds, only 2 seconds.
Ma'am,
Fast.
10 minutes.
Ma'am,
Don't waste time by talking, right fast.
1 second.
Only 2 seconds, be fast, Thiruvalluvar. All of you count, all of you start counting from 60.
1, 2, 1, 2,
Only 20, okay? 20, okay, stop. Okay, stop. Thiruvalluvar, now shall I rub the board, Thiruvalluvar? Have you completed? Hey, which one you are writing then? Okay, I'll just rub the board. Write numbers 8. All of you write number 8. Hey, who is that? Jaron John? Thiruvalluvar. Jaron John.
Slowly.
Gentleman means lady. Be little fast, only 4 more minutes. Sorry, 5 more minutes. Bull cow. 11th one. Cock. Hen. Dog. 13th one. Peacock. Peahen. 14th one. God. Goddess. Goddess. Emperor. 15th one. Empress. 16th one.
Ma'am, I have no place to write 11.
Continue the next page. Continue the next page. Author. Authoress. 18th one. Prince. Princess. 19th one. Monk. Nun. 21. Drake. He is duck. D-U-C. So children, today you are having your maths UT, okay? Don't forget.
Yeah.
Okay, children?
Jolly.
Today you are having your maths UT. Okay, unit 4, long and short in your mathematics book, okay?
In
For the test.
on my class campus.
In Fliplan, the test is very easy. You can easily do it, okay? So think and do, okay? And learn what is centimeter and meter, okay? Yesterday I taught you, no? Yes? 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So just remember that, okay? So the time is going to end. Be little fast, otherwise take a screenshot and keep so that you can write.
Now you take a screenshot now.
I have taken.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished, Jaron John.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Show me your handwriting. Let me see how you have written. Okay. Super.
Ma'am, this is only 1 minute.
Yes, now it will get ended. So those who are writing, be little fast.
Bye. Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Very good.
Ma'am, Alex zero completed.
Very good.
Ma'am, I finished it.
Yeah, very good. Okay, children, if you have not completed also, don't worry. I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So if you not completed, don't worry. I will send it.
Ma'am, 2 minutes, ma'am, I will finish.
If you not completed also, don't worry. I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay.
9, 8, 7,